Hi, my name is Jerica Mora, and this is my reflection for the research project. So for my research this semester, I did climate change. So the assignment was the E-annotated bibliography and the synthesis. For the E-annotated bibliography, it was the summary and evaluation of the 4 sources that I found doing my scholarly journal research, and that was summarizing and listing the reference. The first paragraph was summary, and then the second was the main points and what I found important from that specific journal. And then the synthesis, which is pulling all the 4 sources together and pointing out the important points of the papers that I read from the different scientists. I chose to research climate change because although I'm not studying sciences, I'm studying elementary education, science has always been important and intrigued me. So I wanted to learn more on climate change and just ways, well, one, what is it? What's the effects? And if there's anything that we can even do to fix it. And I learned a lot. So some challenges with the assignment was when you're researching something in the sciences and also when you're researching something so broad as climate change, I ran into finding too narrow of information. And that's not what I was looking for. I was mainly looking for the main points of climate change. You know, what was climate change? How is it impacting Earth? Are there solutions? So finding scholarly journals of scientists just breaking it down was hard because most academic professors and scientists are writing in a more narrow topic, like how is climate change affecting a special species of birds, or how is climate change affecting a special species of fish from the oceans. So it was hard to find more condensed climate change information. So that's what I struggle with. But when I finally did find articles pertaining to the information that I was specifically looking for, the research was pretty easy to understand and narrow down. I felt this assignment would be important in my career, maybe by helping my students understand that you know, humans are kind of killing Earth, and if we can fix Earth by you know, not driving our cars all the time and turning off our appliances, not throwing our trash out, just things like that, I think would pertain to the older kids in the elementary school level to learn to protect the Earth. I think these 2 documents, the E-annotated bibliography and the synthesis, helped my writing career because I have always struggled with finding research and being able to, one, put all my information out there in one source. The synthesis was nice because then I could figure out how I wanted to go about my research paper, where I wanted to start, the supporting facts, and then ending it. And then the bibliography, the e-annotated bibliography was nice to have also because it was more of a detailed summary of each specific article with the important facts, the data that the scientists include, and then the link to the journal. So if I needed to double check a fact or add something into my paper, I could go strictly to my e-annotated bibliography, find that source, and then add to my research paper. So overall, I enjoyed doing the bibliography and the synthesis because it helped to pull together all my information and have it in one source. So it was easy for me to help with my final research paper.